Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can soft reset TCL phone. So to start, launch the Settings app. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and enter the System category. Here scroll down once more, select Reset options, and use any or all of the first 3 reset options you'll get. Anything but the factory reset erase all data would be considered a soft reset. So here you can separately reset the mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and or app preferences. So just tap on whatever you'd like and then, continue with the reset. If by soft resetting you meant rebooting the device, you can do that by either simultaneously pressing volume up and power buttons and selecting restart, or pressing and holding the power key for a second and also selecting restart option. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.